We're in the right planet?
Yes, it's too hard.
Yeah, maybe we're in Mars. Who's a 2 plus 3? Should we teleport again?
Yes.
Yes. Let's go.
Yay, we're in the right planet this time.
Yeah, you're right.
This is Earth. Look around. What is this? What is this?
What is this?
It's full of numbers. Yes. Isn't this matrices?
Yeah, it's like
Where did we get this?
I don't know.
Maybe we have to solve this. This must have come from Anu.
Yeah, maybe.
Because he told us that he wanted all the boosters to solve this, right? Yes.
Yeah.
Now you have to solve the problems.
Oh no!
Task 1. We need to find the inverse of K1 using adjoint method. Then, decrypt the message using the inverse. Is it correct message? If the answer is no, then explain why not. The first step is we are going to find the adjoint of matrix K. For K1, we are going to use adjoint method. First, we need to find the minor, the cofactor, and the determinant for this matrix. The thing that we need to use is reduce the matrix to 2 by 2 matrix and find the element for each row and column. So, after getting all the elements for each row and column, now we already obtained the minor for the matrix. After obtaining the matrix, we need to change to cofactor by applying the rule of alternating the positive and negative sign of all the elements in each row and column. So we will get the cofactor of the matrix. After getting the 2 by 2 form, so we can find the determinant of matrix K just like what we do in solving the 3 by 3 matrix. And we get negative 91 for the answer as the determinant of matrix K1. So the final step is finding the inverse of matrix K is substituting the determinant and adjoint that we obtained from the past step. In K1, negative values are key, therefore they do not satisfy the coding method.
Task 2. Find the inverse of K2 using ERO method and decrypt the message using the inverse. Is it the correct message? If the answer is no, then explain why not. To find the matrix, you have to augment the matrix with identify matrix. Perform row operations trying to make the identify matrix to the left and inverse matrix to the right. For row 4, you have to subtract row 4 with 3 times of row 1. Therefore, since row 4 consists solely of zeros, then the determinant of the matrix equals to 0. The matrix is singular and not invertible.
For task 3, we need to find the inverse of K3 using either method, and we choose to use adjoint method, which is the same method for task 1. First, as usual, we need to find the minor, cofactor, and determinant. The inverse of matrix K3 multiply with matrix P. After we got the inverse of matrix K3, we need to convert it into alphabet according to the alphabet arrangement that already given in task. Finally, We got to solve the message code from Along, which is written as ASASI PERTANIAN.
Oh man, they have successfully solved the matrices. I have failed my mission.
Hi. Right now we are at the scene of the making of zombies from the moon.
Yeah, zombies from the moon. Oh, is it zombies? Okay.
No. Not sure what title
Not sure
is
yet, but we do have this storyline inside our head.
And the main characters are
Zombie.
characters are them.
Oh, we're not sure about the costs yet, but
That's our baby zombie. Sebab panas.
Remember when I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side, you will never be alone. Even when we go through changes, even when we're old, remember that I